Today, I want to prove something. The most powerful foods in your supermarket are often the cheapest. Not powders, not supplements, not influencer smoothies that cost more than your electricity bill. Yet real food affordable, effective, proven. And today, I'm not just talking about them. I'm cooking every single one. Let's count down the top 5 most powerful cheap foods, starting with number 5. Oats. Yep, oats look boring. Beige. Unimpressive. But inside that bowl is one of the best sources of soluble fiber you can buy, especially something called beta-glucan, which helps support healthy cholesterol and keeps you full for hours, which means fewer snack cravings, steadier energy, better mornings. Let's cook them. Pan on medium heat. Half a cup of rolled oats goes in. 1 scoop of milk or water, if you prefer. Small pinch of salt. Now stir. Let it simmer gently for about 5 minutes. You'll see it thicken. That's the fiber-absorbing liquid and doing its job. Now here's where most people give up and say, oats are bland. Don't believe them. Add cinnamon, slice a banana on top, spoon of peanut butter, or go savory. Crack in an egg at the end and stir until creamy. Cheap, filling, powerful. Number 4. Sardines. Tiny fish, massive nutrition. These are one of the cheapest sources of omega-3 fats, which support heart and brain health. They're also rich in protein, vitamin B12, and if you eat the soft bones, calcium. Open the tin. Yes, embrace the dramatic moment. Toast some whole grain bread. Lightly drain the sardine. Place them on the toast. Squeeze fresh lemon over the top. Crack black pepper. Tiny drizzle of olive oil. That's it. 2 minutes. High protein, omega-3. Rich, if you're unsure about the texture, mash them gently with a fork first. They're milder than people expect. Number 3. Lentils. If there were a prize for budget protein champion, lentils would win. They combine fiber and protein, which means they support fullness, digestion, and steady your blood sugar. Pan on medium heat. Small splash of olive oil. Add chopped onion. Add minced garlic. Let that soften until fragrant. Now add 1 cup of rinsed lentils. 2 cups of water or stock. Bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Cook for about 20 minutes. They'll soften but still hold their shape. Add cumin, paprika, salt. Taste. That pot costs very little and feeds you for days. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are nutritional efficiency. They provide complete protein, meaning all essential amino acids. They contain choline for brain function, and they're affordable. Pan on low to medium. Small knob of butter or oil. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Pinch of salt whisk. Pour into the pan. Now stir slowly. Low heat is key. Soft curds will begin to form. Turn the heat off. Just before they look fully done, they'll finish cooking from residual heat. Add spinach. Add tomatoes. Add herbs. Simple, powerful, cheap. And finally, number 1. Liver. It may not win beauty contests, but it wins nutrient density. Liver is packed with highly absorbable iron, vitamin A, vitamin B12, and folate per gram. It's one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. And it's inexpensive because demand is low. Take it out of the fridge. Pat it dry. Optional dip soak in milk for 30 minutes beforehand to mellow the flavor. Pan on medium-high heat. Add butter or oil. Lay the liver in the pan. Slice into strips if you wish. Listen to that sizzle. Cook 2 to 3 minutes per side. Do not overcook. That's the secret. Sauté onions separately and serve together. Slightly pink in the center is perfect. This is powerful nutrition at a fraction of the cost of premium cuts of meat. Enjoy in moderation. Once a week is plenty. And that's the list. Oat sardines, lentils, eggs, liver. 5 foods. Affordable, powerful, proven, Your body doesn't care about branding. It cares about nutrients. If this was helpful, stay with me. Let us know in the comments below which of these 5 meals you will cook next. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.